Hey guys, have you ever felt like your emotions were controlling everything in your life? Guys, this video is going to show you how to use your emotions to your advantage and control the way you live. Whether you're trying to make a smooth transition into a new job or any startup by any chance, this is only video for you. So without wasting more time, let's start the video. To help you maintain order in your life and keep yourself on track, I have made a list of tips to help you manage your emotions. These simple practices can go a long way toward helping you keep things in perspective and control your own emotional breaks. Number 1. Be kind. This applies not just to other people, but also to animals, plants, and even inanimate objects. The world is a scary place, and it's easy to fall into the trap of trying to protect yourself from the people, places, and things that threaten you. Regardless of how petty or ridiculous that protection may seem. Instead of reacting with fear or anger when confronted with danger, try kindness. Kindness towards others, and kindness towards yourself. These are all skills that can be developed over a period of time and more practice. My dear friends, continuous positive activity is a type of behavior change that focuses on positive thoughts, activities, or habits to change negative behavior patterns. Keeping track of your goals is essential for maintaining order in your life and keeping yourself on track. Whether you have one goal or a list of them, try not setting any major ones too quickly without some time to process what they are. You should also ask why you are setting them. What do you need? What will you do with it? Is it really necessary? Think accordingly. Best tips are here for maintaining yourselves. Let's start with taking care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, then you won't be able to take care of others. Guys, as you can see, controlling your emotional breaks is a skill. It takes practice. The more you practice controlling your own emotional break, more it would be easier. The good news is that it takes very little effort and can have a big payoff. So, don't be afraid to try out these techniques and see changes within week. You know, once Swami Vivekananda said, "Good things come to those who sweat." Most important schedule of the day: exercise regularly. This helps reduce stress and anxiety, while also helping you look and feel your best. Friends, exercising has been proven to be helpful for increasing happiness and lowering stress. It's also a proven fact that exercise has a direct impact on lowering your blood pressure and keeping your heart rate in a healthy range. That's reason enough to get motivating you. Next practice you can do to keep things in your control. Read something interesting every day. It will help establish a habit and it can be fun too. Friends, reading can be a great way to relax and distress. It can also help develop concentration and improve memory. So, try to read something interesting if possible every day. Take a break when needed. Short breaks are good for maintaining order in your life and keeping yourself on track. Guys, as you can see, taking a break is always beneficial. It gives your body a chance to catch up on some much needed sleep, allows you to unwind and relax, and gives you a chance to think about what you've been reading or watching and see if there is anything in there that you want to take away from it. It will improve your mental health and make you feel better. After this, you could do to plan your days in advance to avoid stressor or unexpected events that may throw you off balance. As you can see, planning your days in advance can help you avoid stressor or unexpected events. This includes setting recurring activities such as your day planner or calendar to help you avoid overwhelming yourself or overloading your schedule. It would remove your all anxiety. Last but not least, you could use taking follow-up with the person or journaling after the meeting to make sure everything is going well. Friends, as you can see, having a relationship with a trusted person or a friend is always helpful when it comes to maintaining order in your life. This might seem like an obvious one, but try to maintain some form of social connection throughout the week. They are there for you when you need them. And it's important to make time for them. And make the attitude of once friend, forever friend. Here we would end up for the day. I hope you have understood everything. If yes, then please subscribe my channel.